you guys know that you can paint? You can paint your hardwood floors. It's not illegal. So much lighter and brighter. You've probably wanted to paint your hardwood floors, but you were afraid to because it's illegal, right? Feels like it. It's not. I'm gonna show you how I do it. And it's durable, and it's simple, and it's cheap. I want it to look like I had just sort of whitewashed the original floor, which they're a little narrow. What I'm trying to say is you could have a gorgeous painted floor, a wood floor, or a floor that looks like painted wood. Of course, I don't take enough time to prep, so of course I've just rolled up the rug instead of removing that on the table. I'm doing as far over as I can before I have to then move that, which is dumb, I know, but it's just the way that I work. So I sand it just with my little, just a thing. And then I am mixing 3 different colors of paint. DIY paint, faded burlap, a little layered chocolate, and sandy blonde, just a little bit, and a little bit of water. I forgot to shoot the first coat. I am so sorry, but it looks just like this. So I'm gonna do a second coat here. Okay, that's applying the paint too thick without explaining that I'm putting it, I kind of glop it on there and then I spread it all the way out. You want to use latex? Use latex. You throw some plaster of Paris in there, it's chalk paint, but it will now bond to your floors. You don't have to sand, ever, if you're painting. I'm telling you, these haven't even been sealed yet. It's not going anywhere. It bonds. I don't understand how it works. I'm not a chemist. You can still see the wood, the boards faintly. There's a little plank right here. So that's why I like to work with DIY paint. Dilute it with water to make it a little bit of a wash. And when you need it to be more of a paint, then you don't add so much water. And when you need it to be a wash, you add a little more water. I'm gonna paint that trim a little bit because it needs to be painted. Mostly paint and a few drops of liquid top coat. Water-based, it's gotta be water-based. So I just randomly put some of the boards that are the same size as on our original floor. But you could use, do whatever size you wanted to if you wanted to add this extra step. I've mixed a little bit using half faded burlap, half white swan, which is a white and a sort of creamy khaki color. A few drops of it, and then mostly the liquid top coat. Creating the look of the boards with the width of the brush. So I used a brush that was as wide as my planks are, so that when I brush it straight down, it looks like the planks are under there. So if you have a more traditional 5-inch wide planks or 6-inch wide, get a brush that's close to that width, and it's easy to just sweep it down. So much lighter and brighter. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button so you can catch more videos. When you want to do the DIY, you want to do the things, make your home beautiful. So don't miss it. Please let me know if you do any of these things. It makes me very happy. I feel useful. Okay, great. Thanks. Hello. I'm gesturing like you can see it. Art.